These are American-made gifts under $100. Starting off, we have our 100-kilo hoodie. This is a great mid-weight hoodie. It's warm, it's perfect for winter, and it's easy. Every dude needs a hoodie, and this one's only $77. Supreme comfort, incredible value. Next up, we have our core waffle Henley. A Henley dresses up and it dresses down. It is an easy piece to wear, and this one is only 69 bucks. Next up, we have one of our most popular items. It is our Nano Rip training short for the guy who's going to the gym, who's running, or just lounging around. Easy wearing, perfect. These are only 65 bucks. The Moab pants. That's the mother of all breeches. We have several color options and multiple fit options. They're incredibly comfortable and at an extremely great value at 85 bucks. Last up, we have our tried and true Delta Flex denim. This is what we're known for. We have multiple washes and multiple fits, super stretch for all day comfort. These are coming in at 85 bucks. If you want all of these American-made gifts in time for the holidays, shop before December 17th on originusa.com.